Hello guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about the new OPRA exam for Australia. As you all know that Australian Pharmacy Council has introduced the new OPRA exam pattern, which is going to start from March 2025. And there are a few important key points that we need to know regarding this exam, and especially for the candidates those who are preparing for this OPRA exam of March 2025. You guys need to know that how you need to prepare or how you need to start preparing for this exam. Before you start preparing for the exam, the first important thing what you need to do is you need to go through the blueprint of the exam. So in the official website of APC, the OPRA blueprint is available. So once you can go through the blueprint and you can just have a look through that what changes have been made in this OPRA exam when compared to that of the previous KAPS examination, what changes that they have made for OPRA exam. And the most important thing, like I can give you a brief overview or the idea about the changes and so on. So the most important thing is that in OPRA exam, they are going to emphasize mostly on therapeutics part because in pharmacotherapy, they have increased the percentage. Well, when compared to the previous KAPS pattern, the KAPS examination pattern. So in KAPS examination, we know that there used to be weightage for medicinal chemistry of up to 30%, but now they reduce the chemistry component or the percentage for the chemistry is only 10%. And the other major thing is like what they are going to do is they are diverting that percentage towards the therapy side, and also they have included a new component that is the patient care. So patient care is the new component that has been added in the OPRA exam. So where as a pharmacist, like apart from knowing about the drug knowledge as well as how to apply the therapeutic knowledge, as a pharmacist we must also know a few certain things like what is meant by the patient care, like for individual patient, how a pharmacist need to modify the therapy, and at the same time not only just recommending the therapy to the doctors, but also once the patients, especially when they come to the pharmacy with the primary healthcare issues, then how we deal with all those situations. So these are the most important things that we need to know, especially as a practicing pharmacist, when you become a fully licensed pharmacist. So these are the important things that you need to know about when you are practicing as a pharmacist in Australia. So that's why they have introduced this patient care component, and also they have introduced some thing about the health promotion and health education to the patients, as well as some indigenous health related issues, and all those things have been added in the new OPRA exam pattern. So well, in order to know about this new OPRA exam pattern and how you need to prepare for this exam, we are going to, at Elite Expertise, we are going to conduct a workshop which is going to be held on 11th of December at 8 p.m. AEST. So in this workshop, we are going to discuss completely about the new pattern and how you need to prepare for the exam. So what are the important tips and tricks that you can learn? All these things that we are going to discuss on 11th of December. So please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video and comment OPRA workshop for more details. Thank you so much.